the gaming system. Again, we haven't made one in forever. I am having a good year.
And
we're having in a good Christmas. We're playing basically Help Wanted, but it's actually called Support Requested. If you don't know who we are, my name is Nora. This is Josie.
And warning, this is a horror game. It contains flashing lights, jump scares, and loud noises.
And this is Samantha. Say hi.
Hi!
That was too loud. Okay, let's go. Let's start off by doing FNAF 2. We've already done FNAF 1. I didn't record that, but oh well. So.
Oh wow, you gotta.
We started at the same time. Oh my gosh.
We
But I voted first. Ha!
Okay.
We're starting everything at the same time.
Let me turn it up. Sorry
if the Buddy's Max is
that is very loud.
Mute call.
Hurry! Disturbance. Wait, disturbance.
There you go, the Freddy Fazbear thing.
No, I don't mean to mute it.
Okay, this is so loud. Okay, so it's 12 a.m. We gotta make it to 6 a.m. Hopefully.
So you don't even need to shine your light unless you really want to see them moving to the place.
Sorry.
So I'm like a FNAF fan, so like I love this. So like, but this is Roblox.
Everyone's a FNAF fan. I've been playing FNAF fan. I mean, I've been playing FNAF before you.
I know, but I'm like,
It's so
it doesn't matter if you
slow.
started
Be
it.
quiet, you're so loud.
Sally.
So they're all here. The crew. Bonnie.
Why does she
Wait,
have
no.
a beak off?
I wish you could see my screen, but
Chicken.
technically you're seeing exactly what
Fat Bear.
happening on my screen.
And Blue Dog.
That's a bunny.
Why is he so flat on this? Like, if you look at it,
He's that fat in the room. Okay, so we're gonna actually play the real game soon. We're gonna play Pizza Simulator 2. Not Pizza Limmer. Pizza Limmer. Not Pizza Simulator 2 as in 2, but Pizza Limmer. Pizza Limmer?
Pizza Simulator.
Pizzeria Simulator.
okay, so what I don't get is why she has her mask off while she's on the stage. That never actually...
The beak, you mean?
Her
Hold
beak,
on,
whatever.
Go out.
There's no
Yeah, I still
power
don't
on
need to
this,
do
is
that.
there? It doesn't say anything about power.
She has a cheek right there.
beak.
Oh my
Her
gosh,
beak.
those
That's
guys,
chic.
those guys.
Okay, at like 3 a.m. it starts to...
Remember when you scared
Why is he
someone on
crying?
Roblox and
Oh,
he was
yeah.
crying?
No, he wasn't crying. What the heck?
Okay, guys, you're so loud. So this is all the old ones, so like they're dead or something. Oh, hi. Hello, Chica.
Okay, so like those the paper pals, I was once on them on the game that's called Aw, which is animatronic world.
That you or me?
This guy, I was running
That's
after
you.
them.
That's you.
That's her. And now me.
Vince.
No. Oh, there you are.
Oh, there he is.
I
He's
see
right
it.
next
Okay,
to the
let's
vent.
just do this. Well, yay.
I'm watching him. Dang it, he's in the vent.
Okay, there's the vents. Well, that's great. Okay. Why are you staring at him? Just come out already.
Dang it.
I'm
right there.
warning you, this could get a little scary when they come. So if you're little and don't like scary things like that,
Happening at the same time.
I suggest you click off.
Yeah.
Go watch some family-friendly thing like Disney.
Aw.
Or watch our
Yes,
other videos that are
little
just playing some
good
other games.
I like.
Don't spoil the Disney.
spoiled it. Oh, I
Disney.
haven't even seen it.
Yeah, but you can spoil it from what I've told you.
Chica's in the vent. And
For me.
us. Just go already.
Oh, they're in the vent, obviously.
Oh, you know who
No,
is.
I can't see her in that part of it. There she is.
That was you.
Okay, that was a close one.
There. Wow, we keep getting the same thing. Okay, that's freaky. I don't like it. That's freaky. Go away, please.
She has one.
He just walked away. Did you?
Oh,
see that? He just walked away.
Why are we getting the same thing? If
And
you can
Bonnie
see on
walked
her
away.
screen,
So Bonnie's like over. Let me check where Bonnie is. Bonnie's like should be right here. I think. Yeah, he is. He's with
You
the
should
paper
put your
pals.
mask on.
No, I always die either way.
Hanging out. The paper
How do
pals.
you get rid of him?
You can
He's
tell
getting
the
closer.
the paper pals
No, he's
are not these guys. There he is again. Oh, the music box.
Oh, he's in there.
I don't like the girl in the
Oh my gosh!
Shoot.
They both happened on both things.
And
Oh my
both
gosh.
of them. That
We
kinda
all
scare me.
jumped.
Let's do vent repair. Guys, this one's a
No,
little bit
we're
scary.
doing the next one.
No, I'm doing vent repairs.
Vent repair isn't scary at
You're
all.
yelling. Okay, I'm shaking.
But
SMH, SMH.
No, that's TMI. Sorry. I don't like what people are doing. The wands. Like SMA.
Oh shoot, I forgot about this one.
There she is. That's
Okay,
so
hi,
cool.
dude. This is Mango. She's my friend.
She's kind of scary.
She's not going away.
To some people, it might be.
That was weird. That was really weird.
Listen, little girl.
Stop
You
singing that.
guy.
She waits.
Some people might not have heard that before. Okay, hi. Hi, go away, please.
Bye-bye.
Because it's not out on like Disney Plus or anything.
I need to see it.
You have to buy the movie
She
to see
spoiled
it.
it. Oh.
For us.
Because you guys kept asking me questions.
I did.
And Sam said that I could spoil it for her. So, like, who's the real
So, like,
victim?
like,
I didn't like
there
the
she is.
song. You were singing.
Was
Why
really
can't
the songs? Okay, we're like having a low-key argument. Let's just stop. Period. I don't see anyone. Well, any Mango there. Hi, go, please.
I like to call her Mingies.
Mango.
That's the first time. Oh, I just saw her. I think. Is there bugs?
No.
Because in the real game, there's like these things. So oh, that was so close.
Choppy Mary to you, mama.
Hey, now you're spoiling it.
Oh my gosh, no way.
She comes from there. You did it.
I did it!
We won.
Dang it!
I've already done it 2 times.
I've never done
Thank
it.
you.
Next time I see her, I'm go.
Sadly, oh,
Look,
the other one open?
I still don't have any
No.
Because she comes out of the other one too.
I still don't have an order.
That one's not open.
Yeah, but when it is, she comes out of that.
So I'm gonna do dark rooms because we only
Okay, how do you
we don't have that
repair
much
this one?
time
Do
left
you
on the
click it or
video.
something? Oh,
We
there's
can
the
make the fight
button.
too. Is this like all of them? She comes out of that. So watch. Oh,
Blue.
click all those.
Blue, yellow.
Oh right.
Dang it! She's right there. She was right
Okay. Well, I don't know what he looks like 'cause he's like gone. He's like Mel's dad.
there.
No, no, he's nothing like that.
What do you mean, Mal's dad gone?
She's speaking like that's my dad.
No, you would have to watch the movie to understand.
Okay, cut.
Listen, little girl.
Okay, stop.
Guy. Wait, she's talking to a guy. Of course she is. She knew that. That's her father.
Okay, stop being cringy.
I thought that was a mine for some reason.
Are you okay? I thought you did baby first.
I don't have plus baby.
When is it gonna let you? Whenever it
Baby
updates?
I guess.
I don't really like FNAF. I get nightmares. The real game. I don't like to see like that one goal. Why is it close?
Marionette?
Yeah.
Do you know the point of this one, Sam?
To click him at the red spot.
At the X.
I've done it like 3 times.
I have never done it before. You have to be careful.
You got jump scared again.
Let's do push trap. I want to do push trap, okay. Okay, I should stop.
Just love it.
Yeah, you didn't load. Okay, I
want
have
to do push
every
okay,
10
I'll do
seconds. I'll do it.
No, I have
4,
a strategy.
3, 2, 1.
You make it. I have to focus on Look at me.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Josie, doing that does not. If you click more times, it makes them go away faster.
I'll do it every 5 seconds.
That's what
Does
I'm
he
doing
jump
right now.
scare? Does he jump scare when that is done?
Yeah, if you don't get him, he'll jump scare there too. Okay, 3, 2, 1,
I'm gonna
2,
go.
1, 2, 1. Stop!
I guess it's not really working.
I'm not good at this.
Let's do Foxy.
We're gonna have to end it here.
No,
So-
we still
3 minutes left. Let's just go ahead and end it here. So,
we'll
goodbye.
make another
Part
one
2, I guess. Or
have right now.
Sure.